Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Jaden DeLance with Mastery Games, and we are back with another video. As y'all can see, I'm wearing my eyeglasses today. I don't think I've worn those in any videos, but I do wear glasses because I'm blind. Yeah, can't see. I'm blind as a bat, so I have my glasses on, but I just want to walk y'all through my day. And right now I'm eating breakfast. Now I'm working out today. I have upper body. So this meal is actually not too specific to the workout. I just want to get some good calories in me. And y'all already know what I'm eating. I'm about to show y'all what I'm eating though, because I like to show y'all what I eat. Alright, so I just flipped those eggs. That's 4 eggs. And I haven't showed y'all before, but I use alfresco pasture raised eggs. And I mean, really you can get whatever type of eggs you want, but the pasture raised eggs, they're more healthier for you because the way they're treated. These are tended by hand. I think they even massage the eggs. These are very well taken care of eggs. And like I said, you don't really have to get these. I'm just extra. And the way you can tell a good egg, and I wish I could have showed y'all, is by seeing how dark the yolk is. So a good egg is going to have a very dark orange yolk, and a not so good egg that wasn't treated well is going to be like a neon or a very light yellow. So try to get pasture raised eggs if you can, but if you can't, you know what I'm saying, do what works best for you. And so then I took this coconut oil spray, I sprayed the pan down, and then I threw the eggs on there, added some salt and pepper. And then I have these turkey sausages. I cooked these like yesterday. Your boy's back counting calories, so I'm gonna have 5 ounces of the turkey sausage with the eggs. And then last we're gonna add these Vans protein waffles. And the calories are really good. As you can see, you get 2 waffles per serving, and each serving is 10 grams of protein. So I usually do 3 waffles, which puts you at about 15 grams of protein. You combine that with the turkey sausage, with the eggs, and I think I end up getting about 60 grams of protein in my breakfast, which is really good, because breakfast is one of the hardest meals to get protein in. It's not as much variety in terms of proteins. That's my breakfast, man. 4 eggs, 5 ounces of turkey sausage, and I'm gonna have 3 Vans waffles. And I'm actually gonna put syrup on them. I've been using this log cabin syrup mainly because it doesn't have high fructose corn syrup. I try to stay away from anything with high fructose corn syrup. Typically when I'm cutting, I don't use any. Hold on, my eggs are almost done. Oh man, let me put the camera down. So here's my Vans waffles. 3 waffles. I just put them in the oven, put the oven on 400, and I just put them in there until they get dark. So Advanced waffles. This is how I'm gonna measure my turkey sausage. So there's a lot of different ways you can use the scale. I'm just gonna show y'all the way I'm gonna use it now. So right now it's at 0 grams. I'm gonna hit unit and change it to ounces, and then I'm gonna put the sausage on here. So first I'm gonna tare it to get it to 0. And now I just want to take out the sausages until I get to -5 ounces, which means that I took out 5 ounces of sausage. Yeah, so we're gonna have to eat 4 sausages. So we're a little bit over 5.35, which doesn't really matter. Like if I was under by 0.10, it wouldn't matter. You don't have to be super precise. You just want to kind of be in a ballpark. I'm gonna put that in the microwave, and then I'm gonna put that with my eggs, and then I just put the waffles in the oven. And then I'm gonna put the syrup on there, and that's gonna be my breakfast. So in I think my second video. So in my second video, I told y'all that I wasn't counting calories anymore. I even probably said it in my 3rd video, and that was mainly because I just wanted to get my strength back, and the only way I could do that is by having enough calories, just to get back to at least get back close to where I was before the quarantine. I wanted to make sure I got my strength back on the foundational exercises. And now that I found a comfortable spot, I'm ready to start cutting so I can get my abs back. I miss having abs, so right now I'm gonna go on the cut. And the first thing I did to go on the cut was pretty much just decrease my carbs. I was eating way too many carbs, and you know, as soon as I did that, I immediately lost 3 pounds in like 4 days. So a lot of that was probably water weight, and you know what I'm saying, I'm not saying you're gonna lose 3 pounds in 4 days if you just start cutting your carbs right away. I actually just am very in tune with my body, so I know what works for me. So yeah, I cut my carbs, not by a lot. I just started having like 1 to 2 low carb meals per day, and I had to perfectly time them around my workout. to get the most out of those low carb meals. And after you've low carb for like 3 to 4 days, maybe even 2 to 3 days, you should have a high carb day. And I'm actually gonna have a high carb day. Well, I'm gonna have a moderate carb day today, and then tomorrow I'll have a high carb day. I'm laughing right now because I know y'all gonna think this is very anal, and it is anal, and it's very extra and over the top, but it works. So I have my breakfast right here, my 4 eggs, 4 turkey sausages, and my advanced waffles. And I'm using this log cabin syrup right now. Like I said earlier, I like it because it tastes good and it doesn't have high fructose corn syrup. So you don't want to eat anything or drink anything with high fructose corn syrup because it's really bad for you. It tricks your body into thinking it's real sugar, and it just really throws your body's insulin production off. So stay away from that. But anyways, this is one serving is 30 milliliters, 110 calories, 28 carbs. And 28 carbs is a lot just for a syrup or just for like a dressing or whatever. Anytime I'm using like a syrup or dressing or some type of condiment, I don't want to get 28 carbs from just the condiment. That's just way too many. Now 10 carbs is more ideal, or even 0, but 28 is too high. So I'm gonna try to get half of that. Half of 30 is 15, so we're gonna go for 15 milliliters of syrup, and we're gonna turn our scale on. All right, so I just switched it to milliliters. And then it's already zeroed out, so now I can take my syrup. So right now I'm drizzling the syrup on top, and you can see the numbers start to increase. And I want to keep spreading so I can get it over each waffle until I get 15. And yeah, so I'm at 16, 17, which is still not that bad. I just want to be close to that 15 mark. And as you can see, that's still a good amount of syrup. So for all y'all that go to the restaurants and drown y'all pancakes in syrup, it's not necessary. You're just adding way too many calories. So I just added 15 milliliters, and that's only going to be 14 carbs added to this. Like I said, I'm counting all my calories, so regardless of the amount of carbs I get in this meal, I'm still going to stay under my goal. So if you are like me, you may like all your carbs in the morning, or you may like them at night. But either way, if you have a lot of carbs in the morning, then you may not be able to have as many carbs at night. So you got to be able to spread out your carbs throughout the day. And one way of doing that is just, plan your meals out the day before. But if you're like me and you like to be spontaneous, then, you may end up in a predicament where you have to eat a low carb meal at night because you've already eaten too many carbs throughout the day. So that's my breakfast. 4 eggs, 5 ounces of turkey sausages, and 3 Vans waffles. And then we just added the syrup on top. It looks amazing, by the way. And you just saw my breakfast. And I'm going to attach a screenshot here of the calories and the macronutrients totals, and don't compare my numbers to your numbers. So my breakfast is around 800 calories. I don't really snack a lot, so I usually like to get really big meals in, and usually my biggest meals of the day are going to be breakfast and dinner, and that is what works for me. You may be a snacker, so you may need smaller meals throughout the day, and then you might want to have snacks on top of those meals. But for me, I prefer to have 2 big meals and just 1 small meal and maybe a protein shake, and that's about it, man. I'm not really a big snacker. I have not ate lunch yet, but I am. Hold on, let me get it. I am sipping on. I'm sipping on some coffee. It's almost gone though. Shout out to my cup. Shout out to Leo Gang. I don't know if that's gonna focus or not. There we go. Leo Gang. Today we have upper body. I just did upper body on Tuesday, and since I'm on the upper lower split, this is going to be my second upper body workout of the week. The first upper body day is focused on chest and the push muscles, and then the second upper body day is more so focused on the back and the pull muscles. And that's just how I set up my split to get the most out of it. I'm actually on the upper lower split, and the way that looks every week is, so the first day you do upper body, the second day you do lower body, and then the third day you take a rest day, or you can do cardio. The third day you don't lift any weights, and then on the fourth day you go back to upper body, and the fifth day is another lower body day, and then the next 2 days you rest, and then you start that cycle back over the next week. So shameless plug, my ebook is live on my website, masterygains.com. I put the link below. I'm gonna show y'all what I eat for the rest of the day. I just showed y'all my breakfast, and I'm gonna show y'all the workout. If you like my content, make sure you subscribe. Drop a like, smash the like button, drop some comments, man. Just show your boy some love, man, because it takes a lot. It takes a lot of work to edit these videos, and I actually don't mind editing the videos and giving out content, but the engagements are motivational. So make sure you show me some love with some engagements, and I'll keep pumping out the content. And also make sure you let me know what you want to see in future content, If I'm not doing something or touching on a subject that you would like me to touch on, be sure to let me know that. Follow your boy on Instagram, and hey, you already know what it is. Elevate every day. We just finished the workout. It was crazy. Man, I am toasted. My body is, I don't want to say destroyed, but the workout was pretty tough. I had my protein shake. I didn't record it. I'm sure y'all don't really care. But I had that right after my workout, and now I'm about to cook my dinner. But I'm about to take a shower first, but I did start the rice, and I was gonna show this real fast. So I got my rice cooking. It's nothing special. This is just regular jasmine rice. You can get whatever brand you want. I just got this brand because that's all they had. So I'm about to let that cook. That's gonna take like 20 minutes. Enough time for me to take a shower. And once that's done, I will show y'all what else I'm gonna be eating with the rice. I bet y'all can't guess it. Drop it in the comments if you know what I'm about to eat with the rice. Y'all might know it. If you know me, you already know what it is. Take a guess, drop it in the comments. So your boy just showered. I'm about to show y'all my dinner. And I was actually gonna show some of the cooking, but the chicken, I already had chicken meal prepped. So I didn't have to cook that. Y'all already saw the rice. And then I also made my vegetable, which is Brussels sprouts, shredded Brussels sprouts. And I'm gonna put it all together and show y'all how I measure it. So I'm putting my plate together, and like I said, the chicken was already cooked. I already measured it. It was it's 8 ounces of chicken. And I added some oregano, some salt and pepper. I did the same for the Brussels sprouts, salt, pepper, a little cayenne, but I actually also added teriyaki sauce. And this is, focus. All right, this is the teriyaki sauce that I use. It's organic. That doesn't really matter. Well, in this case it does matter because I did get this from Whole Foods. The ingredients are pretty good. Calories are low. I didn't measure it. If I was being strict, I still wouldn't measure it because it's not that many calories. We also have some jasmine rice. I'm about to add 10 ounces of jasmine rice. I usually do 8 ounces, but I haven't had that many carbs today, and I need these carbs. Listen, I need these carbs. So 10 ounces of rice. If you have a scale, they're all pretty identical. You just hit tear, and I always measure my rice in ounces. We're just gonna put 10 ounces of rice. So being generous since I haven't really had any carbs today, and we're a little bit over, but you know, it is what it is. Like I said, I'm not being super strict. I'm just showing y'all my process. 8 ounces of chicken, 10 ounces of jasmine rice, and some shredded Brussels sprouts. I cooked those in olive oil, added some seasonings and some teriyaki sauce. So yeah, this is really my post-workout meal. I did have the protein shake, but that was more so just a filler, like a snack. And now we're having the dinner, which is the chicken, the rice, and the Brussels sprouts. And then later I'm gonna show y'all my final meal. But your boy's about to eat. I am starving, famished. My body needs these calories. So I'm about to eat, watch the Rockets play, and I will see y'all at the final meal. We are about to eat a salad. Let me pause this right quick. All right. Last meal of the day is a salad. A salad. I added some shrimp in there. I'm about to add this organic Caesar dressing, and it's only 90 calories per serving, 30 milliliters. I'm gonna add 30 milliliters, and it's already set the milliliter, so 30 milliliters looks like it's quite a good amount of dressing. So it's nothing in this salad but shrimp, romaine, and a spring mix. And this is my last meal. I almost forgot. Make sure you're getting your water. Got a little agua right here. Make sure you're getting your water in too. All that dieting is pointless if you don't get your water in. 1 gallon a day, it should be minimum. So once again, we are at the last meal of the day. It's a salad with romaine lettuce, and you can't see the shrimp, but there's some shrimp in there, romaine lettuce, and a spring mix. And this is the last meal of the day. Actually, I should have had this meal after I had the breakfast, but my schedule was crazy today, so all that really matters is that I hit the macros. The most important thing is that you hit your calorie goal and that you hit your macronutrients. Now, what you eat matters, and what type of food does matter, but honestly, at the end of the day, you just want to hit those macros. I'm going to put my final macro count on the screen here. This is going to show you the macros I hit today, and then that's my current macro total for today. Like I said, I'm not really being strict right now, so you did see me use some dressings with calories in them and some syrups with calories in them. When I'm being really strict, I like to use calorie-free dressing or any calorie-free condiments. Sometimes I watch my oils. It just kind of all depends on what my calorie goal is. So take this video, use it as a reference. Understand that we are all going to have different protocols to reach our goals. Thank y'all for staying on this journey with me today. It was a really long day, but I really enjoyed this. And if you enjoy seeing what I eat, I can do more videos like this. I typically eat the same thing every day, but sometimes I change it up. If you would like to see more full day of eating videos, be sure to smash the like button. Make sure you drop a comment, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel, because engagements is going to drive my content further. And the more engagements I get, the more content I will release, and the better it will be. So make sure you support the brand. Follow me on Instagram, Jalen DeLance, and at Mastery Gains. And also make sure you check out my ebook at my website, masterygains.com. But I'm about to finish this salad and finish watching the Rockets play. James Harden's going crazy. I hope y'all have a good day. If you're watching this, I hope you're having a good day or a good night or whatever. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.